Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by building a focused workspace that removes friction. Create a Notion workspace, invite collaborators, and set clear permissions so you avoid accidental edits. Next, add an ideas database with fields for title, status, priority, publish date, and tags. This tracks work from concept to publish. Once done, create and attach a brief template, audience, goal, call to action, and assets list, so every new entry starts with the same structure and nothing essential is missed. You now design the pipeline that moves ideas to finished content. Set up board and calendar views to visualize stages and deadlines. This makes bottlenecks visible. Then, automate routine steps. Use templates for each content type, add filters to surface ready items, and link databases for assets and briefs so nothing is duplicated. Make sure to build checklists inside templates for drafting, review, CO, and publishing, and connect publishing dates to your calendar so reminders trigger automatically. You finish by turning drafts into published work and learning fast. Export or publish the Notion page, then immediately log performance metrics and qualitative feedback back into the same database so results live with the content. Once live, run quick postmortems, link views, conversions, and lessons learned to inform the next cycle. If things go wrong, check permissions and sync settings, clear your cache, and confirm linked database relations. This single troubleshooting step resolves most sync and visibility problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.